Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I am finally going to do my drawing for the vintage YouTube hop that was sponsored by Carmen, who is Elemental Design, and Isabel Lavori, who is Crafting with Isabel Lavori here on YouTube. And I apologize for taking so long to do it, but I did so many parameters myself, and I've heard everybody kind of complain about this, but it was a pain because I had to go through and check every video, and then I had to go through and check to see if everybody was subscribed and everything. So, and I haven't had a lot of time, so I finally got it done. So what I did was basically I wrote everybody's name down that watched the first video, because if you didn't watch the first video, it wouldn't have mattered anyway. So, and then here's the next page. And then here is the next page. I think I had like 67 people at first. These names down here were names that popped up randomly throughout the thing, so I wanted to write them down so I could go back and recheck to see if I missed them on every week, and I didn't. So then I went back and checked to see if everybody watched all 5 videos and if they were subscribed. So those, the lines with the pink lines are the people that watched all the videos and were subscribed to my channel. And I had 31, so I'm going to read who they were. It's Elemental Design, Connie Barnum, This and That Michelle, Crafty JJ Newton, Debbie Vignolia, Barbara Exum, Tina A, Bonnie Myers, Nick's Crafty Corner, Charlisa's Crafty Corner, T Friday 77, New York Freestyle et al, Tanya, Giselle Gigalicious, Nada's Creations, Sazon and Crafts, Deb Hout's Crafty Cottage, Crafting with Isabel Labori, Judy Evans Parker, Creative Moments with Dorinda, Text Judy, Night Angel 0515, Karina Cueva, Jimmy Lana Creations, Tiger Lily Rome, Janet Nieves, Julia Satterwhite, Crafty Fun Mom, Margaret Clevenger, Craft Creations, and Teresa's Creations. So that was 31. And if you remember my prizes, like I kept week 1 because I wanted to keep it myself. And so I was going to give away the beautiful fan that I've made. That was the front and the back. And it's going to come loaded with the flip book that I did. And so that is going to be prized. Now, I thought about it and I decided that I'm also going to give away, so I'm going to do 3 prizes. I'm also going to give away the furniture that I created, which is this. And if you don't want it, just tell me you don't want it. It's not going to hurt my feelings. But the furniture that I created. And I'm going to give away one of the vintage Christmas ornaments that I created. And Gareth and I went through and he picked the ones that he wanted because I know he's doing Victorian Christmas and I promised those to him. So, but this one right here with all the lace and stuff on it, I think it's too girly for him. So anyway, that is that. So the first thing I'm going to draw for is the fan and the flip book. This is the back side of the fan. So what I did was I just put 1 through, I'm going to put 1 through 31. I'm just, you know, too out of it to be doing, I'm cutting the numbers and stuff up. So I'm using the random generator. So I'm using my tablet to film on and the random generator. So I'm going to put 1 through 31. And let's see if y'all see that. Oh, I know it's terrible, isn't it? 1 through 31. And then I'm going to hit generate. And the winner is number 21. And number 21 is, I'm about to fuss at a kid, Miss Text Judy. Text Judy. So because I've taken it so, focus. Because I took so long with this drawing, I'm going to give y'all a week to respond back to me. I think that's fair. So she won the fan and the flip book. Let me write this down. Okay. Oh, and before I do the other drawings for the other things, I just wanted to tell you that I will be doing my Thursday card design tonight on my Thursday live. So I'm going to combine both of them tonight, and I'm going to be doing a really cool card, so I hope you will join me for that. And so let's draw for the furniture, which was this and this. I almost hate to give it away because, you know, it was such a reminder of my grandmother, but, you know, I'm going to do it anyway. So, we're going to put 1 through 31 again, and we're going to see 1 through 31, and then we're going to hit generate. And it is, focus, number 12. And number 12 is, Tanya, New York Freestyle It All, and that's Miss Tanya. Yay, Miss Tanya. So, if you don't want it, Tanya, just let me know. Okay. And now for this lovely lace ornament, Victorian ornament. That is going to 1 through 31. And let me hit generate. It did 21, so Miss Judy already won, so let's do it again. And it keeps giving me 21, so let's start all over. Okay, we're going to do 1 through 31. And then, so I got 1 through 31. And then we're going to hit generate. Okay, 27. And 27 is, Julia Satterwhite. That's my little friend from Alaska. So congratulations, Julia, you won the lace ornament. And I just want to say thank you so much for participating, by watching all of us every week, and thank you for being patient while I drew these names and stuff. And so all of you have from today until next Thursday to respond. I hope that you watch this video, and I hope that you respond. Please, I don't have any of y'all's addresses, so please email me and give me your address, or message me on Facebook, or message me through Instagram. Yep. Thank you so much for watching, though. Don't forget to join in tonight, and for Thursday Night Live. Like I said, I'll be doing a really cool card, and then I'll be back Friday morning. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being patient, and I will see you all again soon. Bye.